got you. Aloha from. I'm so happy to be back in my own kitchen. Well, one, because it's my own kitchen. Two, we get AC. Ever beach, you gotta have AC. Super, super hot. Anyway, so hopefully I'm not going to sweat as much. We'll see. Today we're gonna make flour tortillas. Yes, I know. I already shared this with you when we were living in South Korea. That was 10 years ago. Yes, people, 10 years we've been doing this together. Anyway, oh, I did make one change. Bacon drippings. Bacon love. I think that's the only change I made. So, let's get started. Oh! Thank you to all my wonderful YouTube subscribers. I need to let you know I'm gonna take a little break from YouTube. It's my blanket making time. So for the next 2 or 3 months, I'm gonna be busy making blankets. I just started on Etsy. So go on Etsy and search for 808 So Good. You get it? So good. Anyway, check out my blankets. Thank you so much, all of you, for your love and support. I'll be back and I'll do YouTube when I can, but right now I'm going to concentrate on my blankets. So nice to be in my kitchen. Oh, and the air conditioning. Yum! 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Bing. Oi, shh, quiet. 1 teaspoon sugar. Salt. About half a tea salt. Salt and sugar, the yin and yang. I'll write everything down. The flour, the baking powder, the salt, and the sugar. About half a cup of warm water. And a tablespoon of love. I love it. I love making flour tortillas. Okay. So about a tablespoon. You know how I measure fat. Maybe a tablespoon and a half. Put that on the side. Oh, give me gloves. So all we're doing is putting little bit water and mixing it in. Little bit water and mixing it in. Oh, let me mix this up. Can you see? Hey, get over there. A little bit of lard. Oh, I can smell the bacon fat. Yum. That doesn't look equal, does it? I'll do my best. It's not very round. We'll make it work. Try and get them as thin as you can. So we're gonna heat up the pan and then heat up the flour tortillas in the pan with nothing. No butter, no oil, nothing. You're just gonna cook the tortilla in the pan. Ooh, it's bubbling. Love that. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Ooh, that's done. A little bit too much. Ooh, perfect, perfect, perfect. Came out so good and I love the bubbles. Boop, boop, boop. Love them, love them, love them. I love flour tortillas. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, I'm gonna take a little break. Don't worry, I'll be back. Please check out my blankets on